Hey guys, today I got a short video on how to install a skid plate on the Honda XR650L 2022. I purchased this, nothing fancy skid plate. It's aluminum and got it off of Amazon, probably 70 bucks. Came up with this brackets. I'm gonna try to fit it in and see how is that gonna look. So first we're gonna take these two bolts out. Once we have these bolts out, which is a 10 millimeter, we're gonna take out this down here. So we actually take this section out, which is creating like a cage on the frame, protect the engine. We're gonna replace that whole thing with the new skid plate. Okay, so we got that part out. I'm gonna save this as the original part, and now we're gonna replace it with this new skid plate. Now when we have that cage, I would call it, out, we can nicely fit new skid plate right where it needs to be. So we're gonna put two screws right here, and then we have 4 on the bottom, 4 holes, 1 2 3 4, which are gonna be like this. And this part goes on the frame, this part goes on the skid plate. What I'm gonna do, because I worry that this is gonna be metal on the frame here, to the vibration, and from what I read, it says they might be louder than normally. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create like a padding inside of these. I'm gonna take a simple, I'm just gonna take electrical tape, and I'm gonna put a couple layers over here before I put it on the frame. That way it's not gonna scratch the frame while it vibrates, which means less rust, and also hopefully it might be quieter than everybody is saying. So I'm gonna do that. Like so. So this is what I'm trying to create. I don't know, I'm not sure if this is gonna help or not. I think it might, a little bit at least, and we'll see. Oh, now we're gonna position the skid plate where it's supposed to be. You can actually see the holes are a little bit adjustable. Oh, not this one. This one. I have a little bit of confusion here with this 4 bolt over here that has no place to be attached. I don't know if anybody knows where the 4th piece goes, if it's for different type of bikes or whatever. Got this piece in right here, you can see, and now we have to kind of jiggle and wiggle to get that bolt through the hole, and make sure it's nice and snug like this other one. So I'm trying to get these brackets in and catch it from the bottom. The best way I find out is loosen the front completely first, put the bottom on, because it's really hard to get it, and you have to slide these brackets from underneath to fit it in there. So we'll see how that's gonna go right now. So we got these 3 bolts in. I'm gonna make it nice and tight right now. Looks like everything is fitting in nicely. The skid plate didn't come with any instruction or anything, so I have 1 extra bracket. I have a hole right here, but there's no way attaching these or hooking up this to the frame somewhere which would actually fit this hole. If you know anything about that, let me know. Alright guys, the skid plate is on. Looks pretty good. Hopefully it's gonna work awesome, and hopefully it's gonna perform pretty well. I'll see you on the next video.